In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change App Store country on iPhone. If you're moving to a new country or want access to apps and payment options available in a different region, you can change your App Store country right on your iPhone. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll point out what to watch for so you don't get stuck. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap your name to open your Apple ID and iCloud settings. This is where all your account controls live. Scroll down and look for Media and Purchases. Go ahead and tap that, then choose View Account. Your iPhone may ask you to authenticate with your password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Just follow the prompt to continue. Once your account page opens, look for Country, Region, and tap it. Now, one of two things will appear. In the best case, you'll see the option to choose a new country or region right away. If so, great. We'll select one in a moment. If not, you might see a message that you have active subscriptions and can't change your country yet. That's normal. In that case, go back to your Apple ID screen and tap Subscriptions. Open any active subscriptions you see and cancel or pause them for now. Apple requires that your payment method and subscriptions are tied to the same country, so ongoing charges from your current region can block the switch. Keep in mind, this may affect access to those services while you're changing regions. After you've taken care of subscriptions, return to country region. Now choose the country you want to switch to. I'll use United Arab Emirates as an example. Tap Continue, then review and agree to the terms of service. Next, you'll be asked to add a payment method that's valid in the new country, have a credit or debit card from that country ready, and enter the details as they appear with your bank, including the correct billing address. This ensures your payments process smoothly in the new region. When you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. Your App Store country and region will now be updated. You can tap Done again to exit back to your account screen. From here, the App Store will display content, pricing, and featured apps for your new location. A quick tip: after switching, some apps or previous purchases might be unavailable in the new region, and balances or gift cards from your old country won't transfer. That's expected behavior when changing storefronts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.